Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your boy here, John Matches. I'm saying thank you so much for watching and then thank you so much for great support. I really appreciate you guys. So today guys, I want to react on others Ethiopian music media. I found another Ethiopian music like 18 year. 18 year now is not a, it's not a small thing. Because if you meet someone with 18 years right now, it's different. So I'm going to react to it. The quality, you cannot find the quality the way you are thinking it, and the music, the sound is dope. It's nice one. So I do this to remind some people in Ethiopia. I know if you don't like it, but my people in Ethiopia, they will like it because back in the days, their fathers, their sisters and mothers, they're watching this. So while we can live this, we'll keep bring them out. Music never die. Music never old. Anytime it's a new. So join me together. Let's feel the vibe. Respect. Let's go. And I love this dance. So why I'm not singing this down in the music of today, but in the old music you find this dance. So why Ethiopians keep the dance? They are not doing it anymore because I'm not see like from 2020 up to now. I'm not found video with this type of dance. Why Ethiopia left some their culture back? You have to bring it. The dance is so good. I love it. Wow, man. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for good support. I hope you love the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. We have to bring this type of music in our generation today. Thank you so much and see you on next video.